ingane ena 12 gone, ingane ena 12 gone. Ngeke America, ngeke sanibonani, ngiye ngizothiwa the truth shall set you free. Lalela mntu omnyama, ingane ena 12 gone. Once upon a time there was a boy, sombiza ngoTamir, South Africa la, sombiza ngoThami. uThami had a problem. You see, usisika Thami ubesanda kuhola emsebenzini and then what decide ukuthi uzopha uThami imali engango$100. And uThami ubesayingane and so wajabula uThami ngeke wabona uThami ukuthi ngeke akaye eshop ayothenga. uThami wathatha le mali ayinika usisi wakhe wagijima wahamba waye e-toy store. Wangena e-toy store yahamba ingqondo wabona ama-toys plus uphethe $100 uyabona afforda yonke into la. Wabona enye i-toys elincane nje eliyinduku yokuqhweba. Wathatha le toys eliyinduku yokuqhweba wagijima waya kiosk wayolithenga. After buying toys, after buying induku yokuqhweba, uThami then rushed off. Useyapi? Useya ePark manje. uThami is going to the park, khona azobonana nabangani bakhe and then he can show abangani bakhe toys lakhe elisha alithengile. He can use le mali lencane selile as change ukuthi bahambe bayothenga ama-sweets, bayothenga o-chocolate, u-ice cream. uThami wafika ePark and saw ukuthi abangani bakhe abakafiki bona uyena who was first to arrive and then wa decide ukuyihlayela phansi ayikhiphele ithoys lakhe aloku elidlala elipolishe libuka kamnandi. Wahamba wayothenga ama-chips waphinde wabuya wahlala phansi ulinde nje abangani bakhe khona kuzoba mnandi. Unfortunately, le park le ahleli kuyona uThami, it's located eCleveland. It's located kuma suburbs eSitha. And so iSitha made the call. Kukhona umuntu esingamazi, umuntu omnyama ohleli la ePark ophethe induku yokuqhweba. Sifila threatened, sifile engathi asekho safe, woza uzosiza. And so u-Officer Timothy was the first to respond. Wafika lapha ePark wathi uyaqalaza around wambona umuntu omnyama. Wahamba waya kumuntu omnyama ngemoto wapaka eceleni, wehlisa iwindi, wakhipha induku yakhe yokuqhweba. One shot. And then uThami was unalived. uThami was unalived. uThami abamnika ngisho ithuba lokuthi explain. U-Officer Timothy just saw umuntu omnyama and usisi kaThami wazwa isibhamu sikhala ese-apartment yakhe. And usisi kaThami knew ukuthi le ndawo abakuyona indawo yabelungu. So uma